ngayon ng inyong Make Friends Zombie Fan Club. So can you please greet them?
Hello, McBreadzo.
Okay. By the way, so kamusta kayo? You're both very busy, no? Napaka-busy ng schedule niyo. So how do you make time for each other?
Big time. Every time na hindi kami masyadong nakapagsama, text each other na, tara dinner tayo, ganun, like, let's catch up, like, talk about our day, kasi it's very important, especially now na hindi na kami as magkasama as we used to be sa loob ng bahay. Yan, we have to make time for each other din talaga.
He said.
Mika, I have a question for you. Because he used to be very controversial. He used to have a lot of hate comments, a lot of bashers. Now you're very popular. You're being loved by a lot of people. So how does it feel? How does it feel about it?
Ako po, syempre, una po sa lahat masaya. Pero lagi ko pong iniisip na hindi lang po ako ito, Panginoon po talaga, glory to God. Para nagbubemerangan lang po kami ng Panginoon. Kung anong ibibigay niya sa akin, ibabalik ko po sa kanya. Even po yung ganun bagay.
I love it. Now, Brent, I have a question for you. How do you take care of your duo for life?
How do I take care of her? Feed her? Yun, parang every time talaga sa akin pa rin siya mga samaan ng loob sa buhay. Yun, every time talaga, walang palya. Magte-text siya sa akin.
Yeah, nagsumo. Strict.
And of course, everyone is asking, have you crossed the bridge?
Wala pa eh, wala pa yung bridge.
Wala pa rin. So, still a platonic friendship.
Oo naman.
Okay.
Brent,
But,
what is your reaction sa book ni
Galing, ang
Mika?
ganda, sobrang ganda. Actually, nabasa ko yun, kailan pa?
Basta nung...
2 weeks pa lang paglabas ng bahay, pinaplan na niya yun. And then, she made me read it. Sabi ko, ang galing. Parang siya talaga, but at the same time, makikita mo pa rin yung sarili mo doon sa character. Kaya, makagaling.
May inputs ka ba din?
Sa mga kulay.
Isa ka pala Steffi.
Sabi ko, okay yan, mga ganun. Pero sa kwento, syempre, siya yun.
can we just do a selfie video together?